Yesterday we reported that Ukrainian forces hit 2 Russian helicopters in the southern part of Ukraine. The General Staff of the Ukraine Armed Force posted today in the Telegram a full video of the attack of the Ukraine forces. Based on local reports, but also from videos posted yesterday, Ukrainian forces used Soviet-made manpads IGLA-1 to hit Russian helicopters. As a result of the attack, a Russian KA-52 Alligator helicopter was destroyed. Also worth mentioning is the fact that the staff of the Russian helicopter was waiting for the blows from the Ukrainian forces because during the whole flight in this area, it fired deceptive shells. Earlier in the day, a Russian Mi-8 helicopter was shot down by Ukrainian forces.